You never know what you'll see at busy Boeing Field in Seattle. As I prepared for a local flight, a pair of F-35s departed to set up for a stadium flyby before an NFL game. This short video shows the Vashon Departure to the west, a VFR procedure for takeoffs from runways 14. Next, you can see part of the Blake arrival, a VFR route from the west to runways 14 right and left. Enjoy the last splashes of fall color on this November afternoon. Note that the tower controller is working two frequencies, so you don't hear responses from most aircraft operating to runway 14 left.
Okay, we're clear left and right. We got this citation. We'll get out of his way.
4 flight 640, Boeing Tower. 4 flight 640, make straight in, runway 14 left.
Here we go. A little bit cool this morning, easy on the power. Power is set, fuel flow looks good, airspeed is alive. Up we go. Positive rate, taxi light off, gear coming up. Gear up. Prop coming back.
Traffic, 1 o'clock, 1 mile, 1,000 feet above.
Boeing Tower, Sling 2066 Tango, holding short 14 right for Vashon in sequence.
Caution, upcoming TFR ahead.
Calling for the Vashon Departure, Sigan.
Yeah, it's Sling 2066 Tango, we're holding short 14 right, number 2.
Sling 66 Tango, roger. Citation 11 Charlie Papa, runway 14 right, clear for takeoff, wind 1303.
14 right, clear for takeoff, 11 Charlie Papa.
4 flight 640, runway 14 left, cleared to land 11303.
Big gauges are good, climbing out.
Sling 66 Tango, caution wake turbulence for the citation departing, Vashon Departure approved, wind 1403, runway 14 right, clear for takeoff.
14 right, clear for takeoff, 66 Tango.
Crossing the shoreline. To 2500 now.
Citation 1 Charlie Pop, contact CL departure.
Over to departure, have a good day, 1 Charlie Pop.
Yeah. Number 300 Sierra Echo, there's traffic midfield left down for the parallel runway. A Cessna followed about a mile in trails another Cessna.
We'll be looking, Sirius Echo.
Cessna 6 Sierra Papa, there's traffic mid-Elliott Bay for the parallel runway.
Lights are on, flaps are approaching,
1,700.
mixtures rich, props at 25.
Number 6 Sierra Papa, it's a King Air. Cessna 611 Kilo, that traffic is for you as well. Traffic mid-Elliott Bay, King Air 1,600 for the parallel runway.
I'm looking for traffic, 1 Echo Kilo.
Kenmore 1414, additional traffic, 12 o'clock, still about 3.5 miles, appears to be north-northwest bound, type unknown altitude in case 800.
Below 2.
November restriction Bonanza 46 Foxtrot, there is traffic just approaching the south end of Elliott Bay, 1,400 to King Air, report that traffic in sight.
Yeah, we're looking for the King Air 46 Foxtrot.
And 46 Foxtrot, roger, go ahead and join the downwind until you get them in sight.
We'll call 46 Foxtrot.
Thank you. Cessna 6 Sierra Papa, roger, thanks. And King Air 0 Sierra Echo, the first Cessna does have you in sight. They're approaching their base turn for the parallel runway. The other one's still about midfield.
We're still looking for them, Sirius Echo.
Kenmore 1414, roger, you're going to be number 3 to the airfield. You're going to be following the second Cessna that's just at the approach end of the left downwind. Runway 14 left, number 3, following that traffic, wind calm, clear to wind.
Bonanza 46 Foxtrot, King Air in sight.
Bonanza 46 Foxtrot, roger, base turn is approved behind that traffic. You're number 2 to the runway 14 right, clear to land, wind calm.
Clear to land 14 right behind that King Air Bonanza 46 Foxtrot. We're in the base turn.
Roger.
Caution,
Bonanza 46
inside
Foxtrot,
upcoming
there are 2
TFR.
Cessnas. The first one is for the parallel runway. They're just about a mile final. Additional ones approaching their left base now.
Okay, we'll keep an eye out 46 Foxtrot.
Yep. Cessna 1 Kilo traffic in the right base for the parallel runway of Bonanza.
Looking for traffic, 1 Echo Kilo.
3
Towers, 1 Echo Kilo, clear for touch and go.
Cessna 1 Kilo affirmative, runway 14 left, cleared for the option, wind calm.
14 left, clear to the option, 1 Echo Kilo.
Bonanza 46 Foxtrot, we have the traffic on the other base in sight.
Bonanza 46 Foxtrot, roger, thanks. Cessna 1 Kilo, the Bonanza traffic for the parallel runway does have you in sight.
We have that in sight as well, 1 Echo Kilo.
Sure.
Green mixtures
You
rich.
both have each other in sight.
Traffic, 11 o'clock, 1 mile, 100 feet below.
Clear 326 Mike Echo Boeing Tower, fly the Kent arrival, runway 14 left, report 3 miles south of the field, please. And there's traffic just off your left wing now, 1,600 southbound A Bonanza. Bonanza 9 Romeo Tango, if you're still up the traffic, the Cessna off to your right does have you in sight.
500.
Oh, they're off your left now, sorry about that. November 0 Sierra Echo, say parking.
Going to signature, Sirius Echo.
Number 0 Sierra Echo.
1 mile,
Roger,
final
continue
runway
down the
14
runway.
right.
No delay, turn left Alpha 9er, contact ground point 9er.
Speed checks, full flaps.
Alpha 9er, Sirius Echo.
Three green, full flaps, mixtures
And
rich,
calling
props
for
to
the Kent arrival, say again.
see if this King Air gets out of the way here.
System 172 Romeo Echo, Romeo Alpha, Boeing Tower, say again your position. So 2 Romeo Alpha, roger, you want to make the circle before you turn inbound?
Autopilot flight director yaw down for all
System 2 Romeo Alpha, fly the Bellevue arrival, runway 14 left.
Clear to land.
Morning Tower, Falcon 887, Charlie Echo, ILS 14 right.
Falcon 887, Charlie Echo, Boeing Tower, runway 14 right, clear to land, wind calm.
Clear to land 14 right, 887, Charlie Echo.
So 6 Sierra, pop contact ground. Bonanza 46 Foxtrot, safe parking.
Midfield hangars west side, 46 Foxtrot.
Bonanza 46 Foxtrot, roger, right turn lane able, contact ground point enter.
We'll make Bravo 4 and then contact ground Bonanza.